Did you know the average person wastes thousands of dollars every year without even realizing it? Not on luxury vacations, not on expensive gadgets, but on tiny daily habits that seem harmless. A coffee here, a subscription there, impulse shopping that feels small in the moment. So today, I'm taking on a challenge. I'm going to apply a set of simple money-saving habits consistently and see just how much money can actually be saved. And by the end of this video, you might realize that saving money is much easier than you think. Saving money sounds simple. We all know we should do it, but in real life, it often feels incredibly difficult. Bills keep increasing, food prices rise, transportation costs grow, and sometimes it feels like our salary just disappears the moment it arrives. Many people believe saving money requires a huge income, but that's not true. Saving money is less about how much you earn and more about how you manage what you already have. In this video, I'll walk you through practical, realistic tips that anyone can apply. Students, employees, freelancers, or small business owners. No extreme budgeting, no unrealistic sacrifices, just simple systems that actually work. And I'll also show you which one habit creates the biggest financial difference over time. Let's first talk about why saving money feels difficult. The first challenge is invisible spending. These are expenses we don't even notice: subscriptions, daily snacks, delivery charges, small upgrades, convenience spending. Individually, they feel tiny, but together they slowly drain your money every single month. The second challenge is lifestyle inflation. As income increases, spending also increases. Instead of saving more, we upgrade our lifestyle. Better phone, better restaurants, more online shopping. And suddenly we feel just as financially stressed as before. The third challenge is lack of a simple system. Many people want to save money but don't have a clear method. Without a system, saving depends only on motivation, and motivation changes every day. That's why instead of depending on motivation, we need automatic habits. Tip 1. Pay yourself first. The first and most powerful habit is simple. When your income arrives, save a portion immediately before spending anything. Even if it's 10% or 20%, the important thing is consistency. When saving happens first, spending automatically adjusts. Tip 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. A simple budgeting system works best because complicated plans fail quickly. 50% needs, rent, groceries, transport. 30% wants, shopping, entertainment. 20% savings and investments. This structure keeps your finances balanced without making life stressful. Tip 3. Track small expenses. Most financial leaks happen in small daily spending: tea, snacks, delivery charges, quick online purchases. Tracking these for just 1 month can be eye-opening. Many people discover they are spending far more than they imagined. Awareness alone often reduces spending automatically. Tip 4. Reduce subscription drain. Streaming services, apps, memberships, many continue charging even when unused. Take 15 minutes today and cancel anything you don't truly need. This single action can save hundreds or even thousands every year. Tip 5. Delay purchases by 24 hours. Impulse spending is one of the biggest money destroyers. Whenever you want to buy something non-essential, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, the urge disappears and the money stays in your account. Tip 6. Cook more often. Eating outside frequently may feel convenient, but the cost multiplies quickly. Even replacing just 3 to 4 restaurant meals per week with home-cooked meals can create huge yearly savings. Tip 7. Set clear saving goals. Saving money without a purpose feels difficult, but saving for a goal, travel, emergency fund, investment, freedom, becomes motivating. When money has a mission, saving becomes easier. Out of all these strategies, the most powerful one is automating your savings. When savings happen automatically, you remove decision-making. No thinking, no excuses, no forgetting. Even saving a small amount automatically every week can grow surprisingly fast. Imagine saving just $5 a day. That becomes more than $1,800 in a year without feeling difficult at all. This is the secret many financially successful people use. They don't rely on discipline alone, they rely on systems. I once heard about someone who believed they couldn't save money because their income was small. Instead of trying extreme budgeting, they made only 3 changes: automatic monthly saving, reduced unused subscriptions, packed lunch for work. Nothing dramatic, no huge sacrifice. Within 1 year, they had saved more money than they had ever saved before, simply because small habits were repeated consistently. That's the real power of financial change. Not big actions once, but small actions every day. Saving money is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. You don't need a massive income to begin. You only need a simple system and a few smart habits. If you start today, even with small steps, 1 year from now, your financial situation can look completely different. And remember, money saved is not just numbers in an account. It's peace of mind, freedom, and future opportunities. Now, I want to ask you, which of these money-saving tips will you start using today? Comment below and share your favorite strategy. And if you want to learn more about budgeting, investing, and building financial freedom step by step, make sure to watch the next video on this channel. Because small financial habits today create big financial results tomorrow.